I'm Michael Payten. We're on a property called Alfalfa, Canowindra. INCYT ended up doing a roadshow, which we went in and had a look at, and probably the most impressive thing was the quality of their probes and their sensors. It just looked like they were really well made, and the quality of their people, we really liked that. So we kind of went with them, and yeah, we haven't regretted that. The support's been fantastic. It's been a game changer. You know, I had tried a couple of different things for tank monitors, but I was never happy with what I had. Now I can look at my phone and I know straight away if we've got a problem and where to start addressing it. And you know, before, even with the best intentions, no one checks their tanks every day. You know, it's a pain in the backside, and we're a really busy farm here. We got a lot of stuff happening. So just be able to look at my phone or my computer screen, my homepage when I get up in the morning, and like, all the tanks are full, everything's good. We did go over to watch the Rugby World Cup, minus the Wallabies, but that was okay. But we were over there one day and I'm just having a quick look at my phone saying, you know, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon over there, we're just relaxing, and I said, we're about to get a pretty significant frost at home, and people are like, how do you know that? I said, look, my bloody weather station's telling me. That then enabled me to ring a trusted advisor I have. He came and had a look to see if we had any frost damage, because had we had frost damage, we would have had to start the thought process of maybe getting a lot of that crop into hay and maybe cutting it, and I was potentially still going to be away. So, you know, had I not sort of had that insight and people had just said to me, oh, there was a bit of a frost, which wasn't true, there's a pretty significant frost. Have a look at some of this key data that you've now got at your fingertips, and yeah, you sort of enjoy yourself more rather than coming back and saying everything's gone pear-shaped while I've been away. We kind of know now after many years that the key window for haymaking is around that 60% humidity. So I would be relying on a read from somewhere 50 k's away. Now I've got my got the weather station here. I can set up an alert that actually buzzed when it hits 60%, because you know, hay farmers, they always say they sleep with one eye open. You're going to bed and you're thinking, God, is there going to be a dew or not? What time will it come in? There's a really strong correlation between that baling window and humidity. It's not perfect, but it's a really good key indicator. For years we've sort of sprayed when it kind of felt right, you know, just a bit of a gut feel, but now we can put some objectivity around that too. So we're starting to take a lot more notice of delta T, which comes through on the spray advisory station. Got, you know, wind speed and direction, temperature, all those things the spray advisory station combines and tells you whether you're, you know, at low risk, moderate risk, high risk, and yeah, it just helps you with those decisions. The world's changed, and quite often you ring people and never get a response, even though you feel like you should, but not the case with INCYT. You know, every time we've rung someone and wanted some help, they've been so helpful. Yeah, we've really enjoyed that aspect of dealing with. A lot of them just seem, you know, genuine sort of country-based people who know what your problems are, and that all helps. Yeah, like you're not feeling like you know, someone who knows nothing about agriculture is trying to tell you what you already know. So it's good to be involved with people who, you know, have been there, done that, and got a bit of a gut feel for it. Yeah.